Chakravarti. I'm professor in India from the National Reference Laboratory of our country. It is in the city Chandigarh, which is north of Delhi. It's in North India, but that caters the need of the whole country in case of the microbiology reference center. And this is basically a tertiary care facility. It's a postgraduate institute of medical education and research. And in this center, we really uh, give the service throughout the country in case of the diagnosis of fungal disease when there is a need of reference. As such, in India, this not only in India, the whole of the Southeast Asia, the temperature and weather condition is very conducive to have the fungal infection. And there is very high incidence of fungal infection, but somehow uh, there is very few laboratories as well as the clinicians are not still aware of the fungal disease. That's why we have not the exact prevalence known of the fungal disease throughout the Southeast Asia, including my country, that is India. But still, whatever the limited studies available, which shows that the fungal infection rate in India and as well Southeast Asia, it is very high. Just I can give one comparison, like in case of when you compare, say suppose candida inside the blood of the patients, and in case of the candemia rate it had been seen, say suppose in case of Australia, there was a study which showed that they have got 300 cases per year. Whereas in case of India, any of the tertiary care center having 1500 bedded hospitals, you can expect to have 400 to 500 cases. And this is happening because not only the weather condition, we have got population and too many persons are in the hospitals. There is somewhere hospital care practice cannot be optimum, or rather there is suboptimal hospital care practice, which is making much more this high incidence in case of fungal disease. We know the fungal disease are basically two groups, one superficial subcutaneous group, another is the deep-seated. In case of the superficial infection, say suppose in case of dermatophytic infection, what we see in case of our dermatology OPD, nearly 10% of the patients are having this dermatophytic infection. If we see malassezia infection, certain time which we have conducted in the especially rural population, where we have seen 5% of the rural population is having malassezia infection. But our major challenge at present is in case of the deep-seated fungal disease. And in case of the deep-seated fungal disease, especially the opportunistic group, as I have said of Candida, similarly the picture if you go in case of Aspergillus, what is happening is that many of the hospitals where the construction activities are continuously happening and the construction activity sites are not being covered, and there is a lot of spore counts which we have seen. And these spore counts, when compared with the developed world, it is at least 10 times higher. And because of that, we see high number of cases of aspergillosis as well. Mucormycosis, another disease which is seen quite high in case of India. And this is, there is a very high prevalence has been reported in case of diabetic patient. And in India, patients with diabetes, they are very high in number. It is called as the capital of the whole world in case of diabetes. And established in case of diabetes, the patients are not complying with the drugs. And because of that, many patients remain uncontrolled with diabetes. And because of this uncontrolled diabetes, there is very high incidence of mucormycosis. If you see very recent data in case of the Europe, which shows that there is around 350 cases throughout the Europe over 3 or 4 years which have been reported. But in comparison to that, in my center itself, it had been seen around 50 cases per year. So this way, all these fungal disease in case of the deep-seated is a great challenge to the clinician. Now, in case of these, as there is lack of awareness amongst these clinicians, what is being tried now that we are doing much more CMEs. We are having in case of all the clinicians meetings where there is a session of fungal disease, which are increasing the awareness to a great extent. And in case of the laboratories, what we are trying to do, as in our center we are running two training courses, one in case of the summer for the faculty to be trained in case of this diagnosis of fungal disease, and in case of the winter we are training the technical staff of the same center, so that at least multiple setup can be developed in many of the parts of the country. And this India and whole Southeast Asia, there is a huge population. Means I would say that world's nearly one-third population lives in this area. And here, if we don't have good number of laboratories, we will not able to diagnose these infections, as well as clinician has to be aware. So that way, we are trying to do as much as possible in this, but our effort is still minuscule, the amount of need which is there. Now there is, in case of Asia, there is a Asian fungal network which has developed, and through this Asian fungal network we are trying other countries. But then there are so many countries where there is not even minimum awareness of fungal disease. So we need to do a lot in this area. In case of India, we have developed a fungal infection study forum, and this fungal infection study forum have all the clinicians across the different disciplines, and this is helping. These are all smaller steps have taken in this way, but we need large steps, and especially the government, which needs to take care of this disease. In case of fungal disease, still people, it's not a notifiable disease. People are not getting really aware of this, because until unless it becomes government takes special interest in this area, this small effort from individuals or small group of people would not succeed much. But then we have to do something where government agency have to realize. And especially it had been seen many of the patients when they start in case of the tertiary care hospital, when they came with certain other morbidities, but ultimately they died in case of the fungal disease.